So to me, because I've been sending daily emails out since May of 2004, I just assume the whole world knows what Hungry Girl emails are, but that is clearly not the case. And in these past almost 20 years, email and email marketing have come so far. It's been trendy, it's been not trendy, but Hungry Girl emails have persevered. I mean, we've been sending emails to over 1 million people from Monday through Friday for a very long time. And those emails are just helpful. They're compelling. I hear from so many people, it's just a great way to start the day. You wake up in the morning, you see a Hungry Girl email. It's a little reminder to make smarter choices about what you're eating. There are going to be tips. There are going to be tricks. Sometimes there's recipes. Sometimes there's hacks. Sometimes there's product finds. There's things that you can get at your favorite stores or your favorite restaurants that are going to be delicious, smart choices. Those emails are just packed with information. And what I really like about them is that the content is right there in front of you. You don't have to click 10 times and you're not barraged with tons of ads that are confusing. What you see is what you get in those emails. And it's usually literally right there in front of you. And even when there are ads, because of course we are ad supported, those advertisers are companies and food brands that I personally love, that I use, that I believe in. And so I feel it's very authentic when you see all of that. And in addition to that, I like to give people a reason to like those ads. So there'll be coupons, there'll be discounts. And I always wanted to make the advertising part of Hungry Girl be beneficial to the audience. It's something I really care about. So if you're not subscribed to the Hungry Girl emails, that is something you absolutely should do. It's just funny, if you're watching this on social media, you might think Hungry Girl is just an Instagram account or a TikTok account or it's a Facebook page. But the reality is the heart and soul of the brand are those daily emails. You need to subscribe or you're missing out, I promise. So just go to hungrygirl.com/subscribe or just go to hungrygirl.com and click on the little subscribe button.